Hello, 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 guys. Happy Eid Mubarak to everyone. Muslim, this is our Eid celebration at home. We just have a simple dinner tonight with my siblings, and this is our food for tonight. And my sister is too busy cooking, and also Jojo, they're still cooking. They asked me to come down to have my dinner, but still they are cooking. So they're too busy in the kitchen doing the ano. But anyway, I can start now eating according to them. So this is our celebration. Oh, people are too busy doing nothing. Doing nothing. That's how it is here in my house. Because we are too tired in our trip, and then we just do our let's Happy Mubarak according to my brother-in-law tanawa na gusto.
Eid Mubarak.
You put the water on my
Asa mo nagkuhag kuan pasayang nga dili.
I love this one. I love this.
Mga una ta.
See. Let's eat. I only have my litos and my lagay mo nga yan dyan ng kanin kay I have to sit down here. This is my dinner. This is my favorite one. Puwit ng manok. Tsaka this one. Chicken adobo, the shrimps. Pineapple in the cake. And my litos and my ano to? Yaisi. Tingin nga. Ano to? Okay, beef. This is my favorite one.
Nganin na. Ina na ibutang sa dali. Siminaluyang eh.
Ano nga?
Sa mo yung ganyan na. Ibutang nimo sa kuan.
Kahit nagkanaluan, be. Tanawa ko, busy kayo. They're too busy preparing our dinner. So,
Vlog lang na kamukhaan mi.
Sige, I just do the vlogging. Kamu akong content, it's not my mukha. So, guys, you just hear my voice, but you cannot see my face because I'm home.
Dahil dala ko ka na nag-give, di ba ko mo allergy?
Gusto ko lang this is my dinner. Can have my litos and my fruits. This is my dinner. Gusto ko magkamay. I have to eat kamay-kamay lang ako. I want to enjoy my dinner tonight. Tomorrow, early morning, I have to travel. And this one is my, wala tinidor or something. Ano talaga, pinakamay niyo ako. But anyway. Just this one. Kuha kayo ng tingnan nyo nga doon sa taas ko kung may red wine doon sa my box.
Kailan na ito?
Okay, magkain ka na te.
Joy, tingnan mo nga doon, Joy, yung lalagyan ko ng red wine. Bina. Tanawa yung tingnan nyo nga yung box, kung may red wine pa ako. They're too busy. Busy eating. Kain tayo. Let's eat, guys. Your mom is doing my celebration of sinira mo yung cortina. So this one is
Linggo sa buhay.
I like this one. I love this one. Puwit ng manok.
I love lobi.
And then may lettuce. Let's eat.
I love lobi.
Tara na, magpalubi.
Magpalubi na ang
Tara na at magpalubi.